Hey, what's up folks, Matt Berry, and today we are going to take back a landscape. We got an overgrown landscape that you can't even see the house from the road, and we're going to fix that today. She wanted her azaleas cut way back, that way she could see her house. Great, we can see the house now. We're gonna limb up stuff and push it down, and it should definitely get to what the customer would like. We stopped and showed her the first bed, and she was extremely happy. She said, keep going. All right, we got this bed finished. We got all our camellias here cut in half and trimmed around. All the azaleas, hydrangeas are all cut back. You can see over here. We got the roses cut back. Not only did we trim and cut back her entire landscape where she can see the house, we prepped all the beds, weeded all the weeds down, and sprayed with a commercial Roundup. If your landscape is overgrown, don't give up. If you gave me the option whether I could have an overgrown landscape that I cut back and next year is going to look amazing, or a brand new landscape that's going to take years to get to the size I want, I pick overgrown cut back every time. So don't ever think it's too late. Don't give up on your landscape.